Get the cool weather, man. Oh, here it goes. Oh, good morning. Water's down a bit. I think I'll start out and do a little bass fishing. Then switch it up to some bluegill fishing later. I had one scare the bejesus out of me. Let's see if I can scare a garfish. I had one I hit with my fins this while ago, man. I just, one of them good jumps. Freaking kayaks don't make no noise, and you get right up on them and hit them, and boom! It scared the shit out of you. The shit out of you, man. Paddling one day, and I hit one so big it jarred my kayak, bro. And he said, I almost had to change my underwear on that one. I just thought I thought I hit a big old gator, but it wasn't. It was probably about a 100-pound garfish. Beautiful day. Just waiting for it. Big old mud flat back up in here, man, and they got some big shoe pig, some big garfish, some big buffalo. Big buffalo. surprised I haven't hit one yet. Yeah, bird right there, see him? Got him that time. Oh, all right. Got my bass. Okay, settle down. That hook, get my finger. Ooh. All right. There we go. All right. You jack my shit up. Hell, this happened. Oh, fuck. And I got a fish. Ain't this some shit? Dude, I got a fish. Oh, shit. Damn, y'all. I got that shit on camera. I popped my line and had a damn fish on my line while I'm trying to pull my line in. That's funny. That's some funny shit. That's a first for me. Wow. Okay. See that, but boom. That's something. Get his little ass in here with something. Beats him for sure. I can just leave him on the hook. And... Beautiful morning. Behind me, I mean right there behind me. I just had to lift up the hook on him. Evidently that was enough. Oh, little booger. Oh, of course the one that weighs 2 ounces takes the hook. Sandworm worm usually gets the job done. Probably one of my most favorite bluegill flies. Bird's thrusting at me. Bird's like, you catching all my damn fish. Something's like they're chasing bluegills. Oh, it's a definitely a little hybrid. Pumpkin seed. Don't let you go into my seed. Got one. Got him. Oh, had him. He got off. Yeah. Man.